Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today we're going to draw Aphrodite from Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 2. So let's get in there at the top, have a little look. Right, let's sort out Aphrodite's hair first of all. So she's got kind of like sweeping hair at the top. So I'm going to just draw a little bit like a curve at the very top would be the top of her head. Draw like a curve that kind of flicks out there, okay? Now we've got that in, we can do the left hand side. So I'm just going to bring that around, flick it out, and then down. What I can do now is do the sort of fringe area. So there's kind of like a flick of hair that kind of comes down in an arc like that, and then another one that comes around sort of like this and around. Okay. From that I can draw her face. So I'm just going to draw like the cheek area and the chin. So just start here, just go down to here, around where the jaw is there. And then what we can do is we can continue this line here and just bring it around and underneath the jawline like that. Then put some sort of chunky little wave bits in there, bring this out here, and it helps to give the volume of the hair. This part here, we'll just bring that up like that and then draw a longer bit, and then we'll just bring it into the face area there. That little gap there, let's just do a little flick of hair like that, and we can add a couple of little sort of lines in like that, just around it, give it a little bit of bounce. Let's pop out the nose for Aphrodite. So in the center there, just going to put a little curved line in, and then her eyes are a little bit hidden, so I'm going to do just a little curved dart there, just one underneath like that, and then a little black circle. Try and leave a little bit of white in the middle of it. A little bit of eyebrow, just have that coming through from the fringe area. And then from this side, sort of the eye is hidden again a little bit by the hair. So I'm just going to do a little curve like that and up, and then just a line like that. Then we're just going to put some lips in. So right here, just going to bring in a lip like that, and then just underneath a little arc like so. Okay, cool. Maybe there's a little hint of ear there, and then we can just sort of fill that little area in there, curve it out a bit. Cool. Okay, let's pop her neck in. So little line down like that, and then from this hair area here, we'll just bring another line in like that. Having a look now, we've got like the clothing, it kind of pops out quite a way. So I'm going to draw from that neck area that's all there, I'm going to just draw a diagonal line out like that. Then this side too kind of comes out like that. This then helps us sort of draw like the collar area of this. So it sort of comes in and sort of flares out and then comes down like that. This side, same sort of thing, comes in, and there's another little piece that comes out, and that kind of flares in like that. This then kind of comes around the neck area like that, and then kind of down like so. This point here kind of comes down and stops there. Alright, and then we can kind of join that up. So put a line out here, join this area up to there. This area here, just a line out like that. Okay, it's a little crop top she's got on, so just going to do a line out like that and then bring it up just ever so slightly like that. And there's like a V-neck sweater, so just going to do a V like that. Little band on her neck, so just two little curved arcs on the neck area like so. Okay, let's have a look at the torso area. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to bring two lines down, one there, one like that, just a little bit of a curve on that one there, and then we're just going to join that up with a nice little curve like so. Okay, now I'm going to draw the hips area here. Now she's got a hand here, so I'm just going to draw right here like a finger, like 1, 2, 3, 4 oblongs like that. And then what we can do there is just bring her kind of dress coming out, sort of popping out a bit, sort of like that. And this area sort of comes out like that there. Okay. What we can do here now is just join this arm area up. So a little bit of a shoulder, just have it coming out like that. Bring it down ever so slightly, and then it kind of comes out, it's like an elbow, kind of like here maybe. So we're just going to bring this out here. She's got like this sleeve rolled up, so just do 2 oblongs, join those up, right, like that, line up like that, then bring it further down to where the elbow is, and then what we do then, we'll just do a line down to this wrist area, so slightly curved to there. This area here, just in from the forearm, again, sort of taper that down like that. You've got like a band or a watch on there, so I'm just going to do a little black line like that there, okay? Now here, Aphrodite's arm comes down like this and into the sort of the lower dress area. So I think about there is where the curve of the arm is. So what we'll do then is we'll just draw a line up like that, do the shoulder area out there, and then bring that down in like this, okay? This area now here, what we can do, we can just join that up like that. And then this kind of comes down here, so this is a sleeved arm. Just bring that down like that, kind of flares out a bit. And then it kind of comes out a bit there, and then little elbow, and we'll just join that up and flare it out at the end there. What we can do here now is just pop the hand in, so thumb first of all, just put a thumb like that, and just kind of pointing with the fingers, so just draw a finger like that, and then 2, 3, 4, and join that up to the wrist area there. Okay, cool. Now we can continue the sort of lower dress area. So she's got 2 belts. There's a lower belt that kind of just comes sort of from about here, sort of this part of the dress. So it's just up in there, that. It's like a rectangle and kind of goes almost all the way up to the top. And then we've got a belt area, so I'm just going to pop like a little belt point there, and then just bring that around a couple of bars and just fill it in basically. There. Okay, cool. This then sort of comes up to here, and then we'll just do a couple of lines like that there. There's another belt area underneath. So again, we're just going to have that kind of sweeping round like that. Just a couple of lines, sort of thicken it up, make it come out. Maybe even that one, just make it come out a bit, so give it a bit of sort of texture on there. Now, this part of the dress here kind of comes out, so I'm just going to do another little point there, bring that out and up, and then this part kind of just comes around by that finger, joins up there. There's a little bit that kind of kicks out at the end there, so we just have that there. Then there's a little kind of diamond shape to here that comes off the belt, so I'm just going to pop like a little diamond in there, maybe just fill it in the middle, and then we'll just join that up, a little curved line, like a little sort of belt just hanging down there. And I think there's also like another sort of black line or 2 here, so I'm just going to pop a couple of lines in like that, one in like that as well. Okay, right, next up we're on the legs. So legs going to come down to, there's knees going to be about, I would say about here. Okay, and we'll just do a curve up that goes up. So there, this is the outer leg part. Then we have the outer part of this, sort of comes out from here, sort of bring it up like that, just a little bit of a taper out, like so, okay? This side, this leg looks to be a little bit more straighter, so what I'll do here, from the edge of that point, maybe about there, just going to bring that in like that, and then just bring that out and join it up like that, so we've got the legs there, okay? Right, let's have this leg kind of kicking out a bit, so the knees here, so just have a little knee area, and we'll just bring that out, sort of kick it out like a little bit like that. Calf area kind of comes out and down like that. This one very, very similar, maybe it's just a little bit straighter, so we've got the knee area, and then bring that down like that. And again, we have a calf that comes out and in like that. Right, she's got some really cool trainers on, so let's pop this trainer in here. It's pointing this way. So I'm just going to do a curve to sort of cap the leg off. Bring that out at the back, sort of come way down here, the heel, so real chunky trainers. Let's do the bottom of them there. They kind of come up like a little triangle, and bring them out to the toe area there. Have that kicking up, and then have it kind of just coming up like this. There's a little band like that. Okay, and then it comes out where the tongue of the trainer is. And we can just put a couple of laces in, sort of a little curved area where the sort of bottom of the shoe is. Bring that up like that, and just a couple of like lines there. It's quite dynamic looking. Little toe cap area like that. Okay, cool. Let's do the other one. This one's sort of facing out here. So first of all, I'm just going to do a little rectangle where the tongue would be. And there's that little strap again, like that. Bring down the sole, the heel to there, sorry. And then we're going to just bring up where the toe would be, curve around here and up like that. Alright, cool. Just do a little toe cap top there, and then we've just got some laces in like that. Just cap that off there. A couple of little lines in maybe for detail. Also on the jacket, we'll just line this up now to the edge, so join that up. It's almost like a little bit of piping, so we'll just pop that in like that around the edges. Same on this side, so we can just colour that in a minute. A few little flares where there's colour here, and I think there's a little circle area here as well. A little bit of texture on the top, so I'm just going to do some little real fine lines up like that. Just give it a nice bit of detail. And then on the dress area here, we just got the same sort of thing, so we're just going to pop in some little sort of flourishes of detail around there. Just going to pop a little sort of flat background in as well, just to ground our character. Cool, that looks good. Alright, let's go to the colour. So let's get a nice skin tone for Aphrodite, and we'll just start colouring in those skin areas. Maybe just leave a little bit of light on that left hand side, sort of show the light bouncing off the face. Fill those areas in. And these here, like that, that's cool. This side's got a glove, but this side I can fill in there. And then fill those legs in, and the torso, sorry, first of all, let's get that torso filled in. Just need a little bit of light on that side. Fill this in here, just bring that chunky edge in. Just go over it so it's a nice consistent colour. Maybe just a little bit of light just on the left, just so it kind of bouncing off. Light bouncing there. Maybe just fill it in a little bit more just on this side, just give it a bit of shading, just a nice little bit of shadow, maybe on the nose and the hair area here, the torso, and the arm there. Yep, cool, okay. Now we've got that bit in, what I'd like to do is just get a lighter grey and just fill in, like the hair area is quite grey, so we're just going to pop little grey sort of tones in around that hair area. Around there, and then the jacket as well, just going to go to the chunkier side, sort of just fill in some sort of chunkier areas, just fill that in, sort of whiter jacket, it's good to show a few sort of shades and things like that going on, just gives it a nice bit of variance on there. And then on the trainers as well, we're just going to just pop in some shaded colour. Cool. What I'll do is just get a darker grey now, and we'll just sort of just accentuate some of those darker points on there. So just go right up to the edge. Just adds a little bit of pop to our character's colour. Just on like the edges here, just a little bit like on this side. Here, or maybe in this area there. Just gives it a bit of depth. Nice, okay. There, just maybe on this side too. And then we just add a tiny bit just onto the trainer area there. Cool, okay. Next up, let's get ourselves a nice yellow. So, use that yellow colour, gives it a little bit of pop on that gold. So again, I'm just going to leave a little bit of light on the edge there, so it's sort of sheening off. Fill in those areas there. This is quite a nice top. Just pop in just a little bit of sort of gold as well, and then just on the neck. And all those cool trainers too. So just fill in a nice bit. Just sort of gives it a little bit of popping brightness. around there. And then what I think I'll do, just get a slightly darker sort of goldy colour, and what we can do is just sort of go around just the edges, kind of show off the kind of detail in the pattern that we've got. Just on the edge up there. Yeah, sort of shows that off. Again, gives it just that little bit of depth, I think, on the picture. There's a little bit of blue. See a little bit of blue going on here, and then just a little bit sort of kind of like pinky red or something. Just got a little bit just in here in this circle, and maybe just a little bit like on the lip as well, like that. Okay, cool. Now what I might do then is just pop in a little bit of the accent blue just on there, give them like a Fortnite kind of blue just on the base, just to ground them. Cool, that looks good. And then get that nice red back, and that is Aphrodite. So let's pop that in. Aphrodite on Art Draw. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you like what you see, and we'll draw another picture soon. Thanks for watching.